Hi, it will be a short video because there's not much to say about it. I have a pretty nice air conditioner here. It can cool the room, heat it more efficiently than a resistive heater as it works as a heat pump. It has a reversing valve, dehumidify it or act just as a fan. One thing it didn't have is the ability to suck air from the room. It didn't have it because now it does. I wanted to record a video of how I did it, but it's nothing spectacular. I just added a switch to unconditionally turn the condenser fan on. The switch connects the fan either to the original control board or to the power line. I wanted to record a video of how an air conditioner works, but there are plenty of such videos out there, so it doesn't make any sense. I recorded how it looks like inside instead and how dirty the condenser was. I bought it 5 years ago. Before anyone asks, I have a separate chimney in this room, so it's legal for me to connect the condenser outlet pipe to the ventilation hole.